A culture festival surrounded by elephant is held in Sri Lanka in celebration of the Vesak festival. It is popular among many people for its street parade of the procession. Usually, before including the elephants in the festival, they are brought to lake, stream or river and bathed thoroughly. What you are seeing now is such a rare sight. Many foreign tourists show interest in observing the elephants in Sri Lanka. An elephant caretaker who also carries a Hindua has arrived here along with the elephant. Her Hindua is a tool used to control the elephant. However, these elephants are not very aggressive. These are tamed elephants used in various festivals. Even the people of Sri Lanka eagerly watch the bathing of these elephants. It is because such a scene is very rarely seen.